Welcome back to the channel. I have another easy woodworking project today that's making some Etsy sellers tens of thousands of dollars in sales. Y'all, we are talking about corner shelves today. Literally cutting a piece of scrap wood into a triangle shape and you've got yourself a wood project that people are selling for $30, $40, $50. All right, we're gonna first look at Billeter Creations here. As you see, some of his best sellers, 367, 353, 863. He sells several different variations. Construction on this one is very simple. He actually does a simple frame and then 3 planks cut at 45-degree angles on the edges to make the triangle corner shelf. I ran the numbers on this seller for all the different corner shelves he's selling. A total of 3,371 orders for a total of $276,000. He's been selling these since 2018, which equals out to about $39,000 a year in sales off essentially one item. Pretty impressive. Let's go look at some other sellers. This one's even more fascinating to me. $22.50 for a large size shelf. This shelf is the easiest to make of all. If we go over to Lowe's, you can buy one of these round boards, 24 inches in diameter, for just under $18. You can cut this thing into 4 pieces and have 4 of these shelves made up. You buy an $18 circular board from Lowe's, you cut it into 4s, you stain it, you sell each one for $22.50. That's 90 bucks. $8 for the Etsy fees, and you come out on top $64 almost. He's sold over 1,300 of them for $29,000. Really good. I got one more for you. Let's go check it out. The last corner shelf we'll feature comes from the Green River Wood Company. This is a floating shelf design that has an internal frame in which you'll slide the shelf over. They have 2 different designs, one that has slots for wine glasses and one regular. Now they sell them in 1, 2, 3, or 4 shelf sets. I'm just going to do the numbers at the 2 shelf set. So 1,430 sales at $95 is $135,850. For the wine rack variety at $98, 1,588 sales for a total of $155,624. Adding these together, this is definitely going to be our top dog for the day. $291,000. Really, really amazing. This is another example how taking a very simple project with very minimal wood or scrap wood can turn around and make you a lot of money over a period of time. There's many people think you got to build big and intricate woodworking projects to make any money in this game, but that's simply not true. If you find a project that everybody needs, or is common in many households like shelving, you can turn it into a lucrative business. Now, of course, no sales are guaranteed. And as I specified in my last video, there's a lot of sellers making money off that product. There was a lot making a little bit, and there was still a lot making none. So it really can be hit or miss. But if you're not in the game, if you don't have things listed to sell, you're definitely not going to make any money. But I'm going to keep putting out videos like this of things I find on Etsy that are making unreal money, presenting it to you, so maybe it'll give you some ideas of stuff you can make. So if you like that kind of content, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Help me grow this channel, and we will see you on the next one.